Hi everyone, today we are making soap. As you can see, what you will need is a pot of water, and you'll need to bring it to a boil, and then you'll need a bar of Zote soap. Also, you will need some laundry booster and some borax. Okay, so we actually cut these up into little cubes, and we are going to get these measured out here shortly. You can either cut them into cubes or grade them into little tiny pieces, or you can put the whole bar of soap in the water. That just takes a little longer to get the soap dissolved. All right, so as we are waiting for our water to boil here, or get nice and hot at least, we have put in measuring cups, 1/4 of borax and 1 full cup of laundry booster superwashing Arm & Hammer. All right, so now that we have our water boiling, we are dumping in our soap so that it can dissolve. You just want to stir it every now and then to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan or to the sides, so that you get the best use of all your soap. So as you can see, I kind of turned the heat down a little bit because it was boiling and I didn't want it to bubble over, which has happened before. But now I have all these clumps, so I have to turn the heat up again. I forgot to mention earlier that you will need a 5-gallon bucket for this. I'm going to fill this up a little less than halfway with hot water. And I only have 2 buckets like this because one of them is stuck to the other, unfortunately. Okay, so as you can see, we have all of our soap, Zote soap, dissolved here in the hot water. Now we are going to add our laundry booster Arm & Hammer superwash soda. Perfect. We're going to give it a stir. And it's bubbling, and that's fine. But you just want to stir it all the way up until it's completely dissolved. All right, so now that we got that all stirred in and dissolved, we are putting in the borax, which is going to make this liquid soap thicker, a lot thicker. So we're going to dump that all in there, and then we will give it a stir, and then we're going to dump it in the bucket as soon as it is all the way dissolved. And again, it's going to make bubbles, and that's fine. So now we have gotten it all mixed up. As you can see, it is a little bubbly. It's a lot bubbly, and it's pretty thick now. All right, so now that we have those mixed up, we are going to add our soap to our 5-gallon bucket that has water in it as well. Okay, so now that we've added our pot of soap to our 5-gallon bucket with hot water inside the bucket, we are going to give it a really good stir. And then after we stir it for a little bit, we're going to fill it to about the top of the 5-gallon bucket. Okay, so we are putting in our last pot of hot water to fill it to the top, and we'll give it another good stir. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.